Hi, this is Nancy at Crohn's Intuition. There's just something about a rainy day. I love it when a rainy day comes my way. Oh, listen to the birds. Oh, what do y'all do on a rainy day? Huh? What do y'all do? Well, one of the things that I do on a rainy day is when I come into my sacred space, I sit and I watch the raindrops hitting the leaves on the redbud tree outside my window. And oftentimes, just the simplicity of that just gives me such peace. Another thing I like to do is read poetry. I like to sling some cards, catch up on my journaling. But today I think I wanted to show you a couple of books that I can get absolutely lost in on a rainy day. So I'll be right back. So I'm back. You like my get up? I got one of these for my granddaughter and she absolutely loves it. So I thought, they call me Momo. My mother was Gaga, and my oldest grandchild, he started calling me Momo. And then when my granddaughter came along, when she was old enough to talk, she started calling me Gaga. Well, he told her in no uncertain terms, I was not Gaga, I was Momo. So, I am Momo. Aren't children wonderful in our grandchildren? Oh my goodness, I love it. Anyhow, it's a rainy day. I am in my cocoon. One of my dogs is absolutely terrified. She is so afraid of thunder and fireworks, and she's down at my feet. She's pitiful. That's my truffle britches. But I wanted to just show you some things that I'm associated with memories. Sometimes on rainy days I walk through memory lane, and I have a book here. It is a scrapbook. And, well, actually, it was supposed to be a journal, but I made a scrapbook out of it. It was created by Marjolaine Bostien. She's a beautiful, beautiful Dutch artist. Her work is exquisite. But anyhow, in 98, my mother passed away. She was a couple of weeks away from 92, so she had a long, long, happy life, and she was the best mother in the whole world. But towards the end, she had hospice care, and any of you who have gone through that, it's hard. It's really hard. But I was honored to take care of my mother. We kept her at home because, she and Daddy took such good care of me. So I felt it was an honor. But having said that, afterwards, I was absolutely exhausted. And my husband said, I want you to get away. Even if you just go to Asheville and check yourself into a hotel and stay there for a week, you need to get away. And so I told him, I said, I want to go to the beach. So a girlfriend of mine, who I got Lily Grace from when she went into hospice care, we went to Topsail Beach together, and Topsail Island, and I made this little memory book. And that was our motel room, and that was the view from the chair outside our motel room. There was the seagrass and the beautiful ocean, and we used to watch a gang of pelicans flying up and down the beach, and watch the sunset and the sunrise. You see the moon up there? And so I have this whole book of memories that, different places we ate and places we went. Here's my friend Marcia and I. And we just had a wonderful time. And I found lots of shark's teeth and, oh goodness, just so many wonderful things. And this was a place that we loved eating. It was called the Crab Pot, and they had the best food. Oh my goodness. But anyhow, this is one of the type of memory books that I have. Another type is completely different. It's altogether different. And I just take a journal, and I have done this for years, and I put all my favorite stuff in it. Well, here's a picture of me and some girlfriends. Here I am, way back when I was maybe 18. But anyhow, on the first page, it says, always be yourself unless you can be a dragon. Then always be a dragon, right? Yeah. But what I have put in this book are things, things that I like, quotes that I like, pictures that I like, and just opening. Here you go. Here's one. This says, only as high as I can reach, I can grow. Only as far as I can seek, can I go. Only as far as I look, can I see. Only as much as I dream, can I be. And then here we go, another page, and I've put here, your body follows the train of your thoughts. Your body is listening to everything you say. Reminder, you are always responsible for how you act, no matter how you feel. Rules for healthy living. Let's see what wisdom this imparts. Less soda, more water. Less alcohol, more tea. Less sugar, more fruits. Less meat, more vegetables. Less driving, more walking. Less worry, more sleep. Less anger, more laughter. Less words, more action. Wise words, Let's see. Here we go. I've got some more things that I've written. Let's see what I wrote down. How do we change the world? One random act of kindness at a time. You are under no obligation to be the same person you were a year, a month, or even 15 minutes ago. All the hardest, coldest people you meet were once soft as water. And that's the tragedy of living. I can't afford to hate anyone. I don't have that kind of time. Suffering is the sandpaper of our own incarnation. It does its work of shaping us. Let's see here. Your voice is my favorite sound. Oh, I just go on. I just have all kinds of things in my book. Here's one. It says the voice. There is a voice inside of you that whispers all day long. I feel that this is right for me. I know that this is wrong. No teacher, preacher, parent, friend, or wise man can decide what's right for you. Just listen to the voice that speaks inside. May you wake with gratitude. Okay, let's go to another one, shall we? I mean, I have so many of these books. They're everywhere. And I have had such joy compiling them. I'm different. Always have been. It took a while, but I've accepted that I am magic. Not meant for everyone to understand. So they question. That's okay. I will stay in my lane, being all magical and stuff. It's difficult to live in the present, ridiculous to live in the future, and impossible to live in the past. And this is a quote by John Lennon that I have always loved it, and y'all have probably heard it, but I didn't want to forget it, so I put it in this book. When I was 5 years old, my mother always told me that happiness was the key to life. When I went to school, they asked me what I wanted to be when I grew up, and I wrote down happy. They told me I didn't understand the assignment, and I told them they didn't understand life. Wise, wise man, John Lennon. Oh, I love this. Now is a good time for a new collection or hobby. That was in a fortune cookie I got. And below it, I have, I love dragonflies. So close to dragonflies. The dragonfly spiritually embodies the stripping away of negativity that holds us back, helping us to achieve our dreams and goals. Dragonflies are the keepers of dreams, the energy within that sees all of our true potential and ability. Dragonflies inspire spirituality and creativity. They help us on the path of discovery and enlightenment. They remind us that anything is possible. Strong women intimidate boys and excite men. You were born to be real, not perfect. The best views come after the hardest climbs. It's never too late to be what you want to be unless you want to be younger. Then you're screwed. Isn't that the truth? Oh my goodness. My mission is to be so busy loving my life that I have no time for regret, worry, fret, or fear. Create the things you wish existed. Well, you get the idea, right? Even after all this time, the sun never says to the earth, "You owe me." Look what happens with a love like that. It lights the whole world. Isn't that something? Be humble, for you are made of earth. Be noble, for you are made of stars. Well, Rumi says, set your life on fire and see who fans your flames. Oh, here's something. Wait a minute. Well, let me see if I can find it. I lost it. It said something about when you were born. Let's see. See, I have so many pages that it's easy to get lost in them. Let me see, maybe it's back. Here we go. Did you ever realize how much your body loves you? I mean, it's always trying to keep you alive. That's all your body has to live for. Your body is making sure you breathe while you sleep, stopping a cut from bleeding, fixing broken bones, finding ways to beat the illnesses that might get you. Your body literally loves you so much. It's time you started loving your body back. Two things I know for certain in my life. One, I have big boobs. This is true. Two, my taste in music is wonderful. Oh, very true, very true. There is nothing more beautiful than someone who goes out of their way to make life beautiful for others. And I will stop with that, my friends. It's a rainy day. I'm here by myself with my terrified dogs, and I just thought I'd share a few moments with you. This is Nancy at A Crone's Intuition. I cherish each and every one of you. You're so special to me. Thank you so much. I would appreciate it if you would like. If you haven't already, please subscribe. And I love, love, love reading your comments. Namaste, my precious friends.